You have to find the value of b. Well, what are these right here? What value is that? X and y. So I'm given x and y. I just have to substitute them into the second equation. Okay? So I'm taking y equals 3.5x plus b. And in its place, x is -7. So I'm going to put 3.5 times -7 plus b. And in the y place, I put a -16. Okay, so then I have -16 equals -24.5, good job, plus b. And then add your 24.5. And if you add those two together, that gives you, well, the signs are different, so you have to subtract. And that is b equals 8.5. Because, see, it's 24.5. Did anybody get that right by themselves before I started? Good job. I got it. Okay, so we're on number 24. No. So we're going to take the equation of the line. Do I start in slope-intercept form? No, I start in point-slope form, which is y2 minus y1 equals m x2 minus x1. I have two xy's, and I have another set of xy's. This y right here stays the same. This x2 stays the same. Everything else has to change. Okay, so I'm going to fill them in. Which one do you like better, 2, 7 or -4, 4?
2, 7.
I like that better too. So x is 2, y is 7. Y minus 7 equals, m, I don't know what that is, parentheses, x minus 2. Oh, now I got to find this thing called m. What's that? The slope. So my slope is when you draw the line minus signs. What goes on top? X's or Y's? Y's. So I have to put 7 minus 4. And on the bottom, 2 minus -4, which changes to +4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. You have to reduce it 1/2. That's point-slope form. Now let's put it in slope-intercept form. I have to distribute the 1/2. 1/2 times x is 1/2 x. 1/2 times 2 is 1. Move the 7 over, and you should get 1/2 x plus 6. Now we're on 25. Elena's car, I'm going to use y equals, even though it's Elena, I'm going to use y equals. She has a distance of 11,000 miles, and she drives 23,000 each year. The second one is going to be Mark. He has 50,000 miles, and he is adding 13,000 per year. Now you have to find out if they will ever be equal. Does it ask for the answer? No. So A, will they ever be equal? It says no. They have the same slope. No, they don't. That's not right. B says yes. They have different slopes. Yes. So the lines will intersect. Yes. What's wrong with C? They have different y-intercepts. True. But does that mean the lines are going to intersect? Shh. Not, yeah, that doesn't mean anything. D, the equations have different slopes so they don't intersect. False, false. The answer is B. All right, 26. I need to find equations for the CD, and I need to find an equation for the movie ticket. Now, for right now, I'm just going to call it CD and M. But we know both of those are going to be what? Y equals. Okay. Now, can you find the slope for CDs? Look up here. Look at what's happening. It's starting at 500 and going down by what each time? So that slope is -10x. Okay, what's the y-intercept? What did it start at? Now, time out. After the first month, it was 500. What was it at 0 month? 510. Do you see that? That's huge that you don't think that 500 is the y-intercept because that's after a month. So it's plus 510. All right, what is the movie ticket? What is it increasing by? So that's 15x. What did it start at? Yep, take 250, subtract it off, and it's going to start at 235. Now, you would plug both of those into your calculator, but you would use a y equals for both of them. And you should get a 1140. Oh, 400. 11,400.